address of a host name using C on macOS. Let us examine the code. First, we'll start with including the header files. The socket.h header file, then the netdb.h header file, as well as the arpa.inet.h header file. Then we define a function for printing IP address, which takes an address that is a struct socket address type as well as a socket length parameter. We declare one IPSTR with the size of inet 6 address lengths. Then we define one address pointer. Now we define this if statement with address type switching. So if address is a finite, which means it's IPv4, and the other condition is address type a finite. If it is of not either of type, then we say unsupported address family. So when in case of IPv4, we assign the socket address in IPv4 as cast struct socket address.in, and then address pointer is assigned the address of that IPv4 SIN address. Similarly for the IPv6, the address pointer, address of the IPv6 SIN6 address is assigned to address pointer. Now we come to the printing part. We will use NTOP function, inet NTOP, that net to hosts. With these parameters, we will pass the parameter family as well as address pointer and IPSTR, which holds the IP's address and size of IPSTR, which obviously is maximum inet 6 address lengths. Now we print the IP address. Then we declare the main function, which will take the host name as parameter. So we'll check for that whether the argument specified is not equal to 2. We will we will print a usage message. The usage is the program name with host name, and we'll exit failure. And then if for the host name is provided, which will be the argv1, the first argument, we will declare the address info hints result in RP, and then mem set the hints to 0. Then we put the hints to a family to a func spec, and hints a sock type sock stream. Now we call the get address info with host name null, and then the hints and result we just declare. So the get address info function returns a result which we capture in as. That is a success criteria. So if s is not 0, that's an error, and then we print the error message and exit the failure or standard error. So we will use this function to decode the error. Now what we do is that there can be multiple addresses returned by get address info for a single host. So we will use the for loop to iterate through the result and use print IP address function that we defined earlier to print the IP address of each host. After that, we free the result because of avoid memory leak, and that's the function. So I already compiled the function. Now we'll run it. As you can see, google.com, so yahoo.com has multiple addresses. And what happened if we something non-existent? It prints an error message. That's all for now. Thank you.